how to turn off and hide Bookmarks Toolbar on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Mozilla Firefox. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lions, and now go down here. You will find this bookmarks option. Click on it like this, and here you will find hide bookmarks toolbar. Now it's hidden successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.